Hi there, Ron here, Variable Play, and welcome to CONQuest 2022. So I am a tabletop advocate, and I just want to show you guys around. So we are at CONQuest. This is a gaming convention, but they are gracious enough to share the convention with us at Baecon. And in tabletop gaming, you get to try out so many games. So just I want to show you. Locally, we have Arc. Arc is a tabletop RPG designed by a Filipina who's flying to Gen Con in the few weeks to get her Diana Jones Emerging Designer Award. So we have that in the Philippines. I have a couple of games that I've designed. I actually got to design Watchlist. This is one of my games. I also designed Team Shuffle and Quotes and Verses, and among others, Folded Wishes and so forth. So we are here today with Neutral Grounds Philippines, and if you get to go to conventions or gaming events, you get to see a lot of these really cool games, miniatures, tabletop card games. If you're ever into Commander, Magic the Gathering, those are all here. Oh, here's another game I designed. It's called Plataforma. So you guys, just a few months ago, this was quite hot because it's very in topic. And as we go over to the back, you get to see so many other things that you can enjoy in the hobby. So here's an upcoming game, Tayog. So Tayog is a tactical abstract game where birds are flying to perch, and that's how they can attack things. So we have Dungeons and Dragons here from Greasy Snitches. And now you can see the rest of the tables, painting miniatures. These are the Pilipintados, the cool guys from Pilipintados. And of course, yeah, here I am with Folded Wishes, one of the games that we've got to introduce internationally. So, what are the joys of tabletop gaming? Well, the cool thing about tabletop is the community itself is very warm. Everybody is very welcoming. You can see we are from different groups. We have different hobbies. People like to paint, people like to role play, people like to play board game, people like analytical games, abstract games, thematic games, war game. But we're all here enjoying each other's hobbies, and we can really sort of pick and choose what we want to try out. And I think that's the most welcoming part and the most enjoyable part of this hobby. So I invite you guys, if you guys are interested, if you have a little bit of a gaming bug in yourself, do try us out. You can search us in Facebook, search us in YouTube, of course, Mochis and Meeples. You can search them, and they are such a good contributor and advocating the joys of tabletop gaming. So again, this is Ron Villaver. I hope to see you guys at the table. Bye!